So hello, this is Prince Kumar, and I am currently speaking about my project. It is based on AI. That means AI integrated into it, and it is the food order system. That means specifically the app. Okay, so this is the front end part, and this is the back end part. Since I had already, but let me execute properly from the starting it. Okay, and for that first have to connect with the mongoDB, which is the database, which is the part of the backend. So unless and until it is not connected, it won't work properly. So it is important to connect the mongoDB. So let's get start here. So uh, as we know, this is the MongoDB Atlas, the web base. Okay, then I'm going towards the project part. Okay, and I'm giving the path and setting the path. I'm setting the path for the backend here. Press enter, then now execute it by the statement, the command, the npm start. So the finally the result is getting us as per the expected. That means the MongoDB got connected as we had started here. MongoDB the web base. This MongoDB we had connected with our project, and what the message we are getting at the last, that MongoDB connected with the host, this one. Then the server started on the port 8080 in a development mode, and another thing which are environment injected environment. So this is the what the successful for the backend. Now moving towards the front end. So this is what it is taking to process further. So okay, it's now set the path for the front end. Press enter once again. uh, okay, then now run the command in order to execute and expose the web browser. It is processing now, and here in order to expose on the browser, either you copy this URL or just type O plus enter. So now this get exposed web browser with the local the front look like it's internet connection. So that's why. So this is the implementation of the execution. And then on the web. Specifically now, if we speak about the backend part, the database, we can say the mongoDB is the centralized database here because we can store here number of typing that number of purpose are there in for which the app data need to be stored. Example, if you say here I am showing you that is this one. Let me first connect it. I'll speak here the database we can key store here. So we have the data like the food item here. Okay. Then menu, then restaurant. So specifically, yeah, more rather than this can again. That means the database. We can say the login part, registration part. That means this MongoDB. It is a something that where we store the data database, all the data. So every form of data can be stored here. So it can become a center of centralized. That means all type of data will can be here can be for as I speak the login user, how many times the user login, then register how many uh, the new registers, the previous the password registers, that this and all things. So want to say that it is MongoDB is a can be a centralized form of data center actually, uh, the database system, storing the database system. Then moving ahead, this is my GitHub repository. So all the file of our project or food order system as well. Is there in order to access this repository. You can see whole link. It is name. Okay. Then going to the postman. So first of all, we had made a collection here, and then we're